All right, so as I said, we're going to install these rubber door sill protectors. So I got two here. I got one for, these are both the back door sills. And then these are the ones for the front. You can see they're nice soft rubber. It's got a nice grip to it. So you put these on here, right? And it protects so you can step up. You don't have to worry about gravel on your feet. It's going to scratch any of this. So all this is going to be nice and protected. And this will go on here like so. And it'll keep your door area there nice and clean and protected, and give you a nice grip footing there, so your feet won't slip up if you do happen to step on this part. I'm going to be installing some side steps here in a little bit. That'll be another video for you to watch, but for the time being we'll go ahead and get these installed, and then we'll be one step further to having the Jeep like we want it. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure this is nice and clean. So what it is, I brought some this is 91% alcohol, and I'll just give that a quick clean. Make sure it's nice and clean from any type of residue and alcohol. Make sure that there's nothing oily or anything there that'll keep the adhesive from not sticking very well. Put on a nice generous application of that on there, and make sure I get every little spot where the tape is going. You can see where they got the tape all on the inside. So pretty much everywhere it needs to stay stuck, then it'll stick. So I got that on there. And then this stuff dries pretty quick, but that is nice and clean. So I installed these on my last Jeep, and the last ones I believe they were a little bit harder. They were a harder type of plastic, not rubber. So I think I actually like these rubber ones way better. There we go. All right, then just want to gently put this into place. This cap needs to go over the bolt that is up there, and that looks like that lines up pretty good. Get this along the seam up here at the top, and then press this into place. That all feels pretty good. Just make sure you give it a nice press down all the way along there. That feels pretty good. Yeah, I definitely like this rubber better than that plastic that I had before. And that is on there. All right, that's nice. You can see how that looks on there. Very good. All right, now we'll go ahead and do the one here on the back door. Juice up my paper towel there with some alcohol. Clean this up real good. Yep, like so. Let's see. Not sure which one is which. This says LH. And this says right H or RH. So I guess this is the right hand. I guess that's what the H stands for, is hand. And they look almost identical, but just fitting that on there before I actually take off the tape. Let's see what this one. I think they're both pretty dang similar, but since this one has the RH on it, I'll go and put it here. I guess that stands for right hand. And I guess it goes right about in the middle there, so that looks good. And put that about in the center. Get the top piece on. Press that into place. just like so. It goes on there beautiful. All right. Okay, once again, put some alcohol on the paper towel, clean all the residue off of the door space there. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Yep. Again, this wants to go over the center of that bolt. Get it all along the top seam there, and then press that in. And it goes in there like magic. Beautiful. Make sure you get a nice firm press all along where the tape is. So it'll stay on there for years and years to come. Alright, so that one's on there. Beautiful. Alright, then we'll move on to the back door here. Oh, it closed beautifully. Alright. And once again, get me a little bit of alcohol. Clean up all those little water spots. Any residue that's in there. Yep. So again, I'm putting this along the top row. Get that on there, and then press it in on the side, and the bottom just falls right into place. Just like so. And got that one in, and we are done. Now I got all sides done, all doors, and voila, we are good to go. So there you have it. Wasn't too difficult to install that. Anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to send more out here.